I'm going to do a quick and easy upgrade today on the Taco. I will be adding some amber covers to the Rigid Industries fog lights that come standard on a TRD-Pro. So here are the covers. These are actual rigid parts. These are amber, and they have some different options. They have some yellow ones. They have some like smoked colored covers that you can put on. And they also have some that say rigid on them as well. But I'm gonna go with these amber ones, and hopefully they will match the amber tone of, say, a light bar, or maybe some ditch lights that maybe some people have. So this will be pretty easy. We're just gonna pull off these surrounds, and you can use like a screwdriver. I'm using a little pry bar, and I put some tape on it so it doesn't mar up the paint on the bumper. But there's a couple clips up here up top, and here's a clip on the bottom, and a clip on the side, and a clip on this side over here. So let's get in here and kind of pry it up. That. There we go, and that's actually enough. I'm just gonna leave this one clip in here, and we'll take the cover and just slide it on top of the light. Here's our first one. It's nice and slick, nice and amber. Whoa, amber is the color of your energy. And I think it just clips on, yep, just clips into place, just like that. And then we can go ahead and just clip this back in. There we go. Looks pretty good. Now we'll come over here and do the other side. There we go. There it is. Sweet. Now we have some amber covers. Now when it gets dark out, I'll come back out here and see if those colors match. Looks like they do, pretty close. And that's that. Well, if you know what you're doing or don't know what you're doing, it'll probably take you 5 minutes or so to do that. Pretty easy.